Hey sweeties, one of you guys requested that I go ahead and do the K-pop shrine tour, so that's what I'm going to do today. It's not necessarily going to be much of a tour. I am going to be tidying this case up a little bit, but first things first, on the bottom I have these shelves over here, these little storage boxes. This is for the light stick boxes and my microphone boxes, and then this is all the spare albums, cup sleeves, BT21 stuff, homemade posters and event posters as well. Let's go into the BTS Hybe section here. As you can see, I have some Jin cup sleeves from last year from an event we went to in LA. I have been using them as stands for my army bombs, but they are too cluttered and I need to put them away, so I'm gonna put that out. Now we have the newest one, the Map of the Soul light stick, is Eugene's, and then mine's is the version 2, I think. That is like the old school one that I got in 2017, I think. And here is some of the photo cards. I might as well do it. That I got from the Samsung Galaxy event. By the time this video comes out, the event would have already been done. So first we're gonna see Leader. Let me see if I can just put this down here. Let me see Leader. These are really cute. I want to do more with these, but besides just putting them in my journal. But if any of you guys want to trade, I think we can make that happen. It's like Strike's a little interested in the case because I never really opened this. But in the meantime, let me put this away. Yeah, so that's that. And then we have a little bit of our artwork here. Let me move the light sticks and the microphones really quick. I have to be careful because they like to fall a lot. Okay. All right, cool. So we have some photo cards that come with the light sticks. I of course have RM and J-Hope. I was about to say Suga, because I genuinely was RM biased with J-Hope as my bias record, but now I'm rap line biased because of Eugene. So there's that. I think the only Shooky thing that I have is that microphone over there, but we'll talk about that later. This is actually a Christmas gift from my paternal auntie, and she got me this artwork from Genevieve Santos, or Le Petit Elephant on Instagram. So I love this artwork. It's from Life Goes On. I really want to frame it, but I don't know where else I would put it if I did, so it's in here now. This was from the first concert that they had in Oakland in I don't remember what year. It was 2017, I think. Yeah, and they had like this cup sleeve event for RM, and I kept this and laminated it all this time, and it's been the floor of my BTS compartment. I also have the Be Essentials album here because it's actually my favorite because Telepathy and Life Goes On is on here, so it made the pandemic so much better. And then of course I have the plushies, the Koya doll that Eugene gave me for Christmas in 2020, and the Mong doll that I bought like when they first came out. And then on top I just have the bags, the carrier bags for the light sticks with extra batteries, just in case we ever have a concert when they come back from military service in 2025. So there's this trend that's been going on that people have been doing, like BTS Army time capsules for 2025. I'm already ahead of you guys because I have a shrine dedicated to them. So I'm going to go ahead and put these all back in here. Trying to make it nice and pretty. There's my mic with Shooky. Jean's Koya mic. I really want to get stands for these, but The problem is that the only one I've been able to find on Amazon was the one for the Map of the Soul light stick, which is the most recent one. Because if I were to get that, it wouldn't fit the bottom of my version 2. Or is it version 3? I don't remember. So that's the BTS one. I'm going to close this up. Next, I'm going to go over to the other side. This is technically supposed to be the YG capsule, I guess you can call it. The YG display. It's mostly Blackpink and a Big Bang 2009 concert show. I really love that box. It's so beautiful. I also have CL, her Alpha solo album, even though she's no longer with YG for a while now. I didn't notice this, but it makes sense. We made our signs out of construction paper from the last Blackpink concert, not the recent tour, but I'm just so bummed because we worked so hard on these posters, and look, it like really got color burned by the sun. So I'm gonna have to retire this. I'm gonna try to pull it out without knocking it out. So we have the other ones. I think this one is Lee Chang. No, it's not. That's Rose. Yeah, this is Lee Chang. Rose, Lisa. Yeah. I think I really do have to retire these because they're getting burned by the sun. Oh, I'm so sad. Ugh. But it's okay. We will make it do. And let me just put this back in here. I think I'm just gonna lay it down like this. Blackpink. This used to be a keychain on Eugene's bag, but the keychain broke, so I'm just gonna put it here for now. And I'll put Alpha back down here. Put it right under here. Okay, so that's the YG section. Now we get to the most messy display case, because the top shelves are basically our etc. So not specific companies, but other bands that we like or other fandoms that we like. So this one has mostly why am I out of breath? This one has mostly Double S 501, which is my ultimate bias group. Many of you new K-pop fans do not know who they are, and I'm really sad that I'm that old that nobody knows who they are. But if you ever watch the original Boys Over Flowers, you will know their voices. That's all I'm going to say. But we also have our Twice albums here. Well, they're mostly Eugene's Candy Bong light stick. It looks like he has a red velvet key light stick ring that also was on his bag. We also have Hwasa's Excuse 'em Bitch album over here. And yeah, it's really cluttered in here. So until we get the chance to organize everything, this is how it's going to be looking like for now. And now the last compartment, which is our etc. Multi-fandoms, like stuff that couldn't fit in the components into here. I have a signed Jesse McCartney Better With You tour hat that needs some dusting. I have yet to laminate my signed Eric Nam poster from when he was here in San Francisco in 2018. My Selena With Love, written by Chris Perez, her husband. McDonald's BTS bag that we kept. And a couple of Funkos. I have my Cruella de Vil Funko. Emma Stone was... that is such an underrated movie. I think everybody should watch it. I loved it. Maybe it's because of the fashion major in me, but that's it. Next I have the Selena Funko. I have two of these. One of them is on my is on my inspiration or my vision board, on a shelf with prints. In the event that me and Eugene would ever break up, we wanted to each have our own Selena Funko since we both love her so much. So that's why there's one here. As for the We Bare Bears ones, if you guys saw my I Met Daniel Chong video, these are the ones that he signed for us back in the day. So yeah, we still have them. And that is going to be all our displays. I didn't actually mention why we have stuffed animals on the bottom shelves, mostly because they won't be seen over our couch. Hi, Strike. I wanted the bottom shelves with our stuffed toys to look like one of those claw machines. So yeah, you can take a look for yourself. The only thing that's relatively K-pop related is the green peas from Toy Story. If you guys don't know, S501's fandom is called Triple S, and our nickname is the Green Peas because their colors was their fandom color is green, so that's why I have the green peas. And this one is essentially Eugene's stuffed toys too. He has a Baymax, he has Lotso, and he has T'Challa, Black Panther. So that is going to be our K-pop shrine video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.